Alright, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is download the soft phone. Okay, now what the soft phone is, it basically turns your computer into a phone. Okay, because the dialer itself is web-based. Okay, so what would need to happen is we download a program onto your computer, so that way your computer can communicate with the dialer. Alright, so what we need to do first is go to a website called Zoiper.com. Okay, Zoiper.com. Okay, you'll get to the screen here, and you're going to click download. Okay, now, depending on the computer you're using to download, it's going to give you options, and it'll automatically detect. Alright, so we're going to select free. The download is going to start automatically. If it didn't, you click here. Alright, we're going to hit save file. And now it's going to start downloading. Okay, depending on the computer you have, your downloads are kept in different spots. Mine is up here. I'm going to wait for it to download. Okay, we're almost done. Now again, this is the only program you're going to need to download onto your computer. The dialer itself, again, is web-based, which means you're not going to have to download a program for the dialer itself. You can access it anywhere you have an internet connection. Okay, we're just about done. Okay, so now we have the program. We're going to click it to open it up. Okay. Do you want to change? Yes. All right. Now we're going to do a setup. Okay, so now we have the program, but now we need to configure it so that way the dialer can synchronize with it. Hit next. You can accept. Hit next. Next again. Next again. Next again. Next again. All you're doing is hitting next and going through all of them. All right. So now it's installing the program onto my desktop. So that way I have an icon. I can actually minimize this. And you'll see here's the icon here. All right. So we're going to finish, and it's going to launch Zoiper. So we're going to launch the program by clicking finish. All right, and if it doesn't load automatically, here's your icon. You can always click it and open it up. All right, you're going to get to this screen now. So now here's the program. We have it downloaded. But like I said, we need to configure it so that way the dialer can find it. And that way you guys can obviously use it and synchronize together. So we're going to hit Settings, Create New Account. All right, we want to select IAX. IAX, next. All right, now we're going to have to put in the username and password and the domain. Okay, so in the portal, you're going to have a document. It's going to look just like this. Okay, and it's going to give you all the information that you need. All right. Now to make it easy, the username and password for everything is going to be your 4-digit agent ID. Okay. And if you haven't gotten that yet, you will get it, and that's going to be your username and password for everything. Okay. And the domain is right here. So just for an example, I'm going to use mine. Okay. The domain is dial134. dial134.vicihost.com, and we're going to hit next. Now the account name doesn't really matter. Okay. All right. Now the next step is getting hooked up with the dialer. All right. So we're going to go to the web address. The web address is firstrate.vicihost.com. It'll take us to the dialer page. You're going to hit agent login.